Hello everyone, I hope you're doing fine. My name is Nishit and welcome back to my channel Hopping Bug. Of late, I have been trying my hands on a lot of new things. You would have already seen me flying FPV in few of my earlier videos. So I have been practicing FPV and I'm still getting better at it. In this video also, I'm going to try something totally different which I've never done on my channel before. A lot of you reach out to me asking for recommendation on powerful Windows laptop which is portable at the same time. Recently, Acer reached out to me to try my hands on their new powerful yet sleek Acer Swift X laptop. I have been using this laptop for more than a week now and I must say that I'm impressed. In this video, I will be unboxing the new Acer Swift X laptop, and along with that, I will be talking about the features of the laptop, and I'll try to share with you how it can be helpful for any of the content creator or entertainment seekers out there. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. One of the craziest things that you would notice after unboxing is the premium all-metal design that the laptop beholds. Also, the laptop is really thin and weighs just 1.4 kg, which is too good for a laptop. This makes it easier to carry around and it can easily fit in any backpack. So if you want to work from home or you want to work from a coffee shop, this laptop won't weigh you down. One more notable feature of the laptop design is the lifting hinge. This allows keyboard to be slightly raised when in use, so you can keep editing or typing for hours comfortably on this laptop. Now, one of the most important things that I as content creator look for in any laptop is the high resolution. It enables me to go through my footage while editing at most granular level. Its 14-inch display is packed with full HD panel with 1920 by 1080p resolution and provides a great viewing experience. I play a lot with colors while editing my pictures for a post on Instagram or on my YouTube videos. As a content creator, seeing colors as accurately as possible is very critical to ensure that final colors after editing look perfect on all types of display. Acer Swift X covers 100% of sRGB color gamut and allows for more natural colors. Now, this laptop is not just about design and aesthetics. It is a powerful machine powered by AMD Ryzen 5600U mobile processors, which is one of the newest and the most powerful processors offered by AMD right now in the market. This makes the entire experience of editing seamless. You can work with your large raw files while editing without worrying about any crashes, thanks to the Zen 3 architecture, which offers improved per-core performance, and you can multitask easily with no frills. The best part is that all this extra power is delivered at no cost to power efficiency. There is 24% improvement in the energy efficiency. You can enjoy this top-notch performance with a long battery life. Now, talking about the graphics. Acer Swift X is powered with up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 discrete GPU. This GPU comes with NVIDIA's Ampere architecture with third generation Tensor cores, which speeds up deep learning and AI-based tasks. This is a very useful feature if you're using your laptop for rendering your videos or for coding. The real-time ray tracing allows for next-level graphics with true-to-life lighting. Not only this is a boon for content creators, but it also lets you indulge in gaming with a seamless, amazing experience. Now that we have talked about design and processor, let's talk about how much memory does this powerful machine has. The laptop is available with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD. That's an insane amount of memory. 1 TB space should help you store all your important footages in one place as content creators. This is an insanely powerful machine, and I'm sure with all the pressure we would be putting on it as content creators, it's bound to get heated up. But the Acer Swift X packs a 59 blade fan having 0.3mm thin blades and dual D6 copper heat pipes to keep things running cool. Air inlet keyboard design expels 8 to 10% more heat compared to other keyboards without any air inlet. So we need not to worry about laptop heating up because Acer Swift X keeps it cool. So that was a quick overlook at this incredible machine. It not only has a sleek premium design, but the impressive hardware also allows for a top-notch performance. All of this makes Acer Swift X a good option for content creators and entertainment seekers who are looking for a compact, thin laptop with powerful performance, connectivity, and long battery life to fulfill all your needs ranging from video editing, coding, gaming, or even watching movies on the go. That's all from this video. I hope this video helps you make an informed choice to buy this incredible machine. Do let me know in the comments if I should talk more about the tech gadgets or anything that I use for my content creation. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, peace.